Today I'm reviewing and installing this roof rack that I was gifted. So in your box you're going to have all these pieces. They came wrapped. You're going to have 4 separate ends that I'm showing you as I take them out. And then there will also be 2 of the bar pieces that will go across your car. It comes with all the tools that you will need. It comes with 2 Allen wrenches and the keys, the instruction manuals that are very clear and very easy to follow. Here are the 2 roof pieces that I was talking about earlier, and let's unwrap these and see where they go. We have our 2 roof pieces. One is longer than the other, and that helps you distinguish where they go. We have 2 that say left and 2 that say right, and these are the pieces that will actually clamp onto your car. They have a key, which is really nice to ensure that your rack is secure on your car. The rack pieces also have this shape that is good for noise, and it also helps you know which direction they go. The pieces are clearly labeled to show which piece will go in the front of your car and which will go in the back. They also have stickers on them to show you which direction they go. So you're going to put on the 2 sidebars, and then you're going to secure them back with the screws that they come with. After you've secured them on, you're going to take your key and you're going to remove that little piece. Once you've removed it, you're going to use your Allen wrench to lower down the grip. It should be flexible and move so you can mount it on your car. Then you will proceed to tighten it so that it is tightened against your bar and secure. Once you've tightened all the way, you're going to reinsert the key piece and lock it in place. Once it is locked, it's very secure and it will stay on your car. You're going to repeat those steps on the other side, and here it is all put together. We're really excited to use this, and the installation was very quick and easy.